process to see or check the laptop battery health on Windows 11 is quite simple. Simply go to your search. There is no direct way inside the interface, so we need to open up the command prompt and right click it. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. And once this is open, you need to type in for power CFG space slash battery report space slash output output. So again space. Now you need to enter the path where you want to store the report file. But that's C, that is a C drive, colon, slash. You can name the report anything, not this slash, the other slash. I think this one, yeah, right. So battery health dot HTML. Make sure it is HTML so we can open it. So it is quite simple. Power CFG space slash battery report space slash output. Then you have to enter the path. Once you have done so, hit enter. It says battery life report saved to this file. So just go and open up the file now. Go to this PC, local disk C. So you can see here it is. Double click it. Open it with the Chrome browser. So here is the battery report. Now if you scroll down a bit, here you can see the design capacity and the full charge capacity. Usually if there is a lot of difference between them, that means the battery has deteriorated a lot. But in my case, it is just a small difference. So it is, I would say, completely fine. So these, you can see the other reports as well. But usually the report that is really important is this one. So if you see a lot of difference between the both, that means the battery is not in a good health. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you out to see your battery health on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.